Tank 7. Guyana, Trinidad, Tobago, USA, Mexico are really driving forward in the production of petrol. What is this going to have in the crane sector? Well, perhaps be a ship owner, tank ship owner. If ships trade around the Caribbean, even Pacific, Panama, perhaps you need to change flag. Many flags have European flags, Madeira, Malta, Cyprus, not endorsing Venezuela, Panama. Think about it. Perhaps some ships do call USA and need US visa, so we can have 50-50 trade. Those countries like Cuba, Venezuela cannot get US visa. So we can have Peru, Panama, Honduras. This is 95% of the supply. Then we could think about what ships don't need US visa, cause could be some ships trade south. Why? Because Guyana and Trinidad are now allocating 80% of supply petrol production today. Therefore, perhaps we could have tankers sailing from such area to Europe or to South America, Central America, Pacific. Therefore, why not use Venezuela and Cuban crew? These are perfectly well trained. Some of them, Venezuela, have a big experience in tankers. Many managers have used them. We also have this Seagull verification of compliance regarding the rank and the experience on board as chief officer tanker. Therefore, contact us please, because the solutions, net and gross wages of Latinos are the same. In Candina we have economic freedom policies and transparency and zero corruption, and we have all these maritime level convention. We have an employer in Panama if you are having tankers with Panama flag, or Bermuda, Bahama, Marshall, Liberia, very friendly flags to America. We also have an employer, as I mentioned, in approved maritime level convention in Panama. We are one of the few companies around there, and we are also members of IMEC that we can set an IBF agreement should it be required. Thank you very much indeed for your time, and contact us. Others are going to do what the rest do, what everybody does, and then perhaps the ship owner, there's a new business around America that you should be looking at. What ships call USA, what ships don't call USA, and then have 50 ships here, 50 ships there, 100 ships, 3% fee. Isn't that interesting? And then we have adonis, so you can really have the crew talent retention and local ESG invest in America cruise. Thank you. Bye.